just find you and I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of me.
So remember the pasta salad, the creamy Parmesan that I grabbed from Dollar Tree? I want to throw some chicken in it. I'm going to cut up a little bit of red onion, right? I'm going to use the rest of the mayo, right, that I started with the egg salad. I feel like that's not going to be enough, but hubby, we are rocking the Hellmann's now, back to the Hellmann's, so we should be good to go. So I'm going to whip that up quick and fast.
I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight.
So, of course, this was very easy, right? Just, I am always about the quick and fast, right? Anything that is going to save me some time, right? I am all about it. So, yeah, and plus I was dying to try this. The only thing that was missing in here was actual Parmesan cheese, which, it didn't matter to us. I just sprinkled some of the other one on at the end. I really didn't, the cheese wasn't what I was looking for. It was the flavored pasta, if that makes any sense, what I was looking for. So it definitely worked out. You hear these birds out here? They are having a good time. It is beautiful, let me tell you. It's going to be a nice 4th of July weekend. So yes, on that. It tastes fire. Thumbs up on that. Miss Hershey girl, she always rocking. She is right on it. Like, what are you doing? But I'm going to slice this red onion up, being very careful. Nothing drops on the floor, with the onions and the dog situation. So, yeah, this was good. It was quick and fast.
I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow.
So doing that last little quick stir, right? That pasta look fire. It looks so good. And I didn't even put the stuff on there yet. With the little veggies in there and all, it was quite tasty. So yes, on that, just throwing a little bit of those onions in there. I didn't want to overpower it. I wanted just enough to kind of, if you taste it, you can, it's onions in here, nice. You know what I mean? But not too crazy on that. I didn't even use them all. So I took some of the canned chicken and threw that in there, right? So I'm thinking, throw some shrimp in there, throw whatever you want in there. I love the chicken. That is what I had the taste for, because I'm thinking, chicken salad, I could take some extra to work, or, just whatever, right? It's almost a meal for me. So, yeah, just dolloping that on there, right, in different sections and stirring it up. I'm going to sprinkle some of the parm on there at the end, and yeah, it was so good.
Like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better. Making me lose my mind. Lose my mind, 'cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something knows me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go, yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something but you so see through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah.
guys. So I was feeling like some spaghetti, right? And then I thought about it. I was like, oh, maybe some sliders, right? So it depends because we don't have any rolls. So if he walks in here with rolls, that's what it's going to be. If not, it's going to be spaghettis. But I have the ground turkey and I want to make meatballs. So normally I do the meatball mix, but we don't have that. We have ground turkey, so that's what's rocking. I want to throw some of this in. I usually throw this in every now and then, and I'm feeling like throwing the stuffing mix in here. I don't know if anyone does that. And a little bit of cheese and things, but this is going to depend on the slider situation. So it's a lot going on. Let me just see what I'm a rock and go from there. And there's Hershey. Every time I talk to you guys, that's so funny. So back inside now with the voiceover, yes, on the pepper steak seasoning. So that's from the try me aisle in TJ and Home Goods. Yes, on that. And of course, I'm doing my staples, right? My adobo and things are rocking. So I don't know what it is about meat and spices. It's a thing. I like to just pair up different things. Sometimes I might gravitate toward the same few, but I really like pairing up different things. I'm letting the liquid drip in. I'm like, oh my goodness. That's because I'm trying to hurry up, right? Because this is after work and I didn't even like change my clothes. I came in, started, I washed my hands and then it was on. So oh my goodness. But yeah, I was asking you guys if you've ever used like the stuffing in your meatballs or just to use it for binding. I feel like it's so flavorful. You know what I mean? So yeah, you can just use it for a bunch of other things too. I only used a little bit. And I'll probably do some more things with it this weekend. But just sprinkling some cheese on there, right? And I only put that salsa in there because it was in there. If I don't have it, I'm not stressing. I don't really need that in there. So I just beat the 1 egg, right? Threw the onion in. And yeah, we're going to get it all mixed up. So that's all mixed up, right? Looks good. So I'm just going to put these in, like my cookie scooper, right? Because I know that they will all be the same size. It takes the work out of rolling meatballs. I don't know when the last time I've rolled meatballs, right? So yes on that. This is from the air fryer because I'm going to just pop them in there on my 350, 375, right? 12 minutes or so and see how that's rocking. If I need to cook it a little more, I will. But yeah, I needed some more. I only make like another 4 on here. And then I did end up kind of putting them all on one sheet, right? So yes on that. I am still so in love with all of my Ray done pieces. I don't think it'll ever be over for me. You know what I mean? So yes, on the Rayos. This is the 4 cheeses, I think that says. So this was left over from something else I did, and it was just enough to go over those meatballs. Spread that, right? That must cheese over, and I stuck it back into the oven. I feel like the oven was off at this point, I think. Oh, the oven was on, but it wasn't cooking, right? So I just stuck that in there just so it could melt, right? It looked so good. So yes on that. So hubby did come through with, right, the buns. So we were good to go. All right, so I'm going to get into this bread pudding finally that I grabbed from, it's bread pudding, cinnamon, vanilla. Okay, because I was thinking about putting a little lemon extract in there, but maybe not. I don't know. I'll see as I keep going, but This package is from the Dollar Tree, so I have my melted butter, 1 egg, and a half a cup of milk. And I'm gonna do some things right and get it in the oven. Yes.
Telling me lies, baby, stop telling me lies.
Look at Miss Hershey still rocking. She is so funny. So I just sprayed this with the the butter spray. Beating up this egg, I think it was like a half a cup of milk. It was really quick and fast. Some melted butter in there, right? And yeah, I'm going to just stir that up. And then I'm going to pour some of, I had to. I just love that lemon taste. So I just, poured maybe a half a cap full in there. So, and I'm just going to get this in a bowl and let it kind of just soak up a little bit, right? And I know, right, traditionally, I feel like some raisins and things are supposed to go in here. I don't like raisins, so I knew that wasn't going to be rocking. And I was stirring it and it was starting to pop, so that's why I went to get the little plate. But yeah, I didn't, maybe next time. And yeah, I didn't use them, but I did, think to myself, oh my goodness, let me put like the banana, like the freeze dried. Is that how you say it? I think so. Banana in here because I'm a big banana girl. So, yes, on that, I decided to go grab just a couple of those. I grabbed them from Trader actually. So, yeah, I just wanted to put those in. But then I was like, oh, wait a minute. I started to. And I'm like, girl, if you don't pour it into the thing first, because this is going to be a whole thing, right? I thought it to myself as I was putting the banana pieces in there. So, oh my goodness. But it was so good. It was so good. And banana with that lemon, it just took it to another level. But I mean, honestly, if you rock the raisins or whatever you like to throw in, this is perfect, quick and fast. The only thing I was missing with this was like a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Now that would have been all the way fire with it, but it was it was easy, nice little quick meal, right? Little quick dessert. It was so good. So let me know what you thought about this week's cooking in the comments. Happy 4th, and I'll see you Sunday. Bye.